Hey, happy Halloween guys, it's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. We're going to be looking at status SNT, trading against Bitcoin over one-day candles. While the rest of the market seems to be making a fairly slow recovery from the recent bear market we had a couple of days ago when Bitcoin fell by like $150, status is starting to shine through as a coin that could really create some good gains throughout the rest of Q4 going into 2019. So let's just kind of wind it back. As you can see, like most coins, huge pump in January, fizzled out, and this low volatility we've been having for the last few months has enabled it to try and sort of really establish its bottom here along the sort of 490 sats mark here. It's been oscillating within this range between here and the 626 sats resistance above, and if we look at the Ishimoku, we can see some really promising signs going forward. So basically, over one-day candles, it's a really strong indication of trend. You can see that since sort of early August, we've had this long resisting Kumo stretching out in front of the candles, and very, very recently, in fact, we arguably last couple of days, we've actually passed through this resisting Kumo, and now we're seeing this sort of supporting Kumo appear beneath the price action as we start to climb through that. And for those of you that know and that watch these, you know, an Ishimoku is a very strong reversal trend indicator, and you can see the candles climbing through this is a very good indication of a reversing trend. Especially over one-day candles, this could be a very strong reversal. Looking at the RSI, there's a few more things to get excited about. You can see that since August 15th, so when we had that big dip, it's just been showing really good, strong building momentum throughout the last couple of months and going into November now. It's just looking really, really promising. It didn't really dip too much at all when Bitcoin took its dive, and it's just showing strength to strength right now. If we also look at the MACD indicator, we can see some other promising signals that we've been climbing towards the signal line now. So like I said, since August, briefly pipped over, it came back down, but if we kind of zoom in, you can see the 26 MA line is now well above the 12 MA, sorry, is above the 26 MA. We've got buying candles on top of the histogram, so buying momentum is still very strong for this asset. We haven't seen it dip below the histogram yet, so it's looking like a really strong asset. While the rest of the market seems to be making a slow recovery, this could be a coin to watch definitely in the next couple of weeks, couple of months. We've got some good targets ahead. We've got the 737 sats mark, the 882 sats mark, and then its top target here at 1,145 sats. And if we take a look at where this is, so this kind of second target is around 30% gain. We've got a 50-odd% gain at the second one, and our top target is almost 100% gain. In fact, it is 100% gain. So yeah, a really good coin. We could make some good gains from this, obviously, if the current market continues in the way it is, and if sentiment for this particular asset continues strongly going into the rest of Q4, this could be a really good coin to watch. So yeah, so drop me a comment in the section below. Let me know what you think of this coin. I hope you guys have a good Halloween, and yeah, please check out CryptoVest.com. Nice one.